Hey guys, I hope you're well. We just dropped into another site that we have under construction for a client. I'm going to take you for a quick walkthrough, give you a bit of a rundown on this one. So we picked this up for our client through the buyer's agency for $265K. The land and the build came in at, I think it was $585 from memory. I'd have to go back and have a look. I think it was $585. So very, very cost-effective project. This is a 5-bed, 5-bath rooming house, and it's going to earn anywhere from $1,800 to $1,900 per week once finished. So awesome return on less than $1 million total spend, significantly less than $1 million total spend, which is awesome. We're motoring along here. We've got 5 car spaces out the front, so 2 covered just in the carport you're currently standing in, and then we got 3 additional uncovered car spaces. So let's go for a bit of a walkthrough. This is a cost-effective build. We've used this design a few times now, but we scaled it right back and made it a little bit smaller. Still really usable spaces, but we just wanted to make that build as cost effective as possible. So I'll walk you through that when we go through. It's about all I can tell you on the outside. Let's go and have a look. We've got a few trades here today. The cabinet makers are here just delivering all the cabinetry and everything. So we'll try and stay out of their way as much as we can. But let's go for a walk through, hey. So this is our common area, common kitchen, common laundry. The kitchen's just running across the back there. We've got our laundry here, space for 2 washing machines. Just sink in the center, 2 washing machines. In on the right here, we have this is our disability compliant room. I think last time I brought you here, all the insulation was in all the internal walls here. If you go back, there'll be a post from a little while ago. You would have seen all the insulation. So all these internal walls all have sound insulation in them to really minimize the noise transfer between rooms. So this is our living room. We've got our kitchenette running through here, outdoor courtyard just out there. This is our pantry, bedroom just in here, and our big disability compliant bathroom in on the right. Come in through here and I'll show you what we've done with one of these rooms to make them a bit smaller. So we just brought the design in. We made it just a little bit narrower than the previous one that we would sort of normally use. So I think we only brought it in each side, might have been like 200 mil from memory. But across the whole house, that was a significant amount of square meterage and therefore a significant amount of savings from a construction perspective. Rooms are slightly smaller, but still more than enough space to put what we put in here for a single person to live here comfortably. So we've got our TV unit goes there, we've got our couch along here, we have our dining setting here, our fridge next to that, and then our kitchenette running along there. Bathroom just in here. And then we have our pantry just in here. And then we have our bedroom. Still plenty of space for a queen size bed. And then nice big wardrobe, the whole width. So more than enough space for a single person. Brand new, obviously it's going to be brand new. We're looking at 370, 380, something like that for room rates. So going to be a really, really good return for the client and bring more affordable accommodation to the area, which is exactly what we need. Still a major housing shortage, so can't build enough of these. Still pushing more through, and yeah, we just can't keep up with demand, which is crazy. Next one, this is pretty much exactly the same setup as the previous one, although there's no hallway here. The hallway's finished, so we gain about 500 or 600 mil in this one, so slightly larger. A little bit more space. So we managed to squeeze this one through, just get it through prior to all the lending changes in the rooming house space. So it was like right down to the wire. Our mortgage broker really worked hard and was just at the lender trying to get it all through and make sure that they were actually able to achieve what we wanted to do within that time frame. And we managed to get it through. So they did manage to get an 80% lend on this property, which is awesome. So 80% lend for land and construction. Nowadays, guys, unfortunately, those lenders have pulled out of the space just for the construction component. So right now, to do something like this, you would need a significant amount of cash to build something like this, and then there are options to refinance at the back end. But guys, there's more than one way to skin a cat. We've got a heap of other options, other avenues to help you build a portfolio other than just rooming accommodation like this. So we do have different avenues, guys, like I said, in different products. So if you are looking to build a portfolio that doesn't affect your lifestyle, that's going to actually build real wealth for you and your family, guys, reach out. We're doing it for hundreds of clients, and sure we can help you do the same. So on that note, we'll keep moving. Enjoy, guys.